Hey everybody, I've been out dumpster diving and guess what? I didn't find much. Yeah, pretty disappointing again. And I broke my grabber. So now all I have is this one stick that I use. And yeah, I found, I think it's like 10 cans of, it's like generic Sprite from Aldi. And they were scattered in the dumpster, so I got those out. And then I hear this hissing sound. It's like, sss. I'm like, what the crap is that? First I thought I had another nail or a screw in our tire, because if you watched one of my videos from the Aldi, there was a screw in the tire. But it wasn't that. It was one of the cans that was dented at the top, and it was fizzing. So I had to get rid of that thing. Yeah, I just really haven't found anything. I think I found 2 gift boxes that you can wrap stuff in, and I think a little belt, and some kind of little gold things you put in your hair. But other than that, it has been kind of night again. And yeah, it's great that I found a few things, but when you have to drive like 20 some miles to town and back, a 50 mile radius trip, finding generic sodas that we don't drink anyway, is not really a good payoff. So yeah. And also I want to thank the people that have prayed for my son, Alexander. He's doing really good. He's actually recording right now some videos. So go over and subscribe to his channel. And if you're not a subscriber to mine, go ahead and give me a subscribe and a thumbs up, because I can use some encouragement tonight. It is kind of frustrating. But that's how it is. Sometimes you find stuff, sometimes you don't. But anyway, gonna head on back home, so I hope you have a good night, and I will see you at the next dumpster. Also, I wanted to share, continue to be in prayer for the people here in Kentucky that were hit really hard with the tornadoes. There's been a lot of people that's lost their lives, so I appreciate your prayers on that, and I will see you at the next dumpster. All right, bye.